Crete earthquake magnitude 6.3 quake hits Greek island. An earthquake measuring 6.3 magnitude has hit the Greek holiday island of Crete just 3 weeks after another shock killed a man and damaged Hungary. Water of the eastern coast of the island, the Godynamic Institute in Athens said a tsunami alert has been reportedly issued. Showed CCTV of the earthquake hitting the island showing products crashing on the floor from displaced tent and employees.